I tried Sweet Angeli's egg recipe and loved it. It's my new way of making eggs. I will never make any other way. So hello beautiful people, welcome to Being Molly Jen. Here we make ordinary foods in extraordinary way and taste differently. So today I'm trying this new egg recipe that I saw on Sweet Angeli's channel. And to start us off, we have our onions. Our first ingredients, onions. We have some tomato. We are going to make 2 eggs, so we'll use 2 tomatoes. We have garlic. And of course, I never miss coriander or dhania, except in tea and ugali. Have some hot pepper. It's optional. So to some cooking pan, I'll add some vegetable oil, and then I'll add my onions and garlic to cook together. After this, I'll add tomatoes, and I'll cover this to cook or to simmer. After cooking for like 1 minute, my tomatoes were semi-cooked, they were almost cooked. So just going to mash any other tomato, any other piece of tomato that is not yet cooked, and then I'm going to add 1 Royco cube. 1 Royco cube. And some curry powder. Some curry powder. And of course some salt to taste. Some salt to taste. So I'll stir those spices to fuse in, and then I'll add my 2 eggs without beating and cover. Cook this for less than a minute, and then I opened and broke the yolks. I'm breaking the yolks so as for them to cook completely. If you like your yolk wet, you can skip that, but mine, I like my yolk completely cooked. So I'll just break, and I'll not break the eggs further. I'll cover for it to cook, to absorb the goodness in the tomatoes. This is like 1.5 minutes later. I'm adding my coriander, and when I add the coriander, you know we are almost done. And just like that, our egg dish is now ready and tasting like nothing else. It's like I'm in heaven. This is my new way of making eggs. I'll never make eggs any other way. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share, and leave a sweet comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.